definitely got 2 feet plus here in Foxborough. These guys are having a blast. 2 days of no school. All right, I'm ready. You ready?
It's not working.
Yeah, it is. Come on, push.
No, it's not.
Sit back. Sit back.
No, it doesn't work.
It's coming.
No. No, it's not.
Woo! And into the road. Nice one. What if I go? Should I go? I'll make I'll make the path better. I'll go. All right. Perhaps I shoulda put snow pants on for this. All right, I'm coming. If I end up going towards the tree, I'll roll off, which I hopefully won't do. But if I come for you, you gotta watch out. I'm scared. Oh my God, this is kind of scary. I don't even have gloves on. Oh, it's windy. I'm coming. Oh my God. Oh, to be a kid again. Ah. Ah. God, the jump! The jump is scary. Oh. How'd I do?
You went off the track. It went off the track and...
Pretty cool. Owen's first time coming down this big hill in the tube. He's a little nervous. Good job, guys. See, I told you I should take good care of you.
Guess what?
What?
Guess what? Snow went in my nose.
Oh, I got snow up my back when I did it.
Oh, do you want to go with me? Yeah. Okay. Oh, did you like that jump at the end?
Good work. Hold on tight. Owen and Aiden. Here they come. Woo! Oh my gosh. Are you okay? Maybe we should put your helmet on. Yeah. Video, please. Video, please, he says.
Mommy, did you record the part when I fell off the sled?
I did.
Yeah.
Hi. Oh, God bless you.
It was funny when I fell off the sled.
All right, we're ready for ya.
Holding on to Owen's leg. Ow! I had to hold on to Owen's leg.
Here she comes.
Huh? Huh? Oh no!
Holes for my feet, right? Oh, okay. So I'm gonna go with Owen down the hill. Wish us luck. You ready, O? Okay. Oh, it's better this time. Not falling in as bad. Let Owen go in the front?
Yep.
Come on, well, I'm a big person. Come here, buddy. Come on, we all have to hold on tight. Come on. Are you stuck?
Yeah. Can you get me up?
Go stand up. Come on, I have no gloves. It's cold. All right, let's do this.
Don't do it without me.
Okay. I'll sit down. Whoa, now you sit down. Oh, I'm scared. Hold on, okay? Are you holding on? Are you holding on? Are you holding on?
No.
Put your feet, yeah, straddle your feet. There we go. All right, holding on, oh. Oh, to be a kid again.